龙卷风。
对，麦当，你快点叫，麦当。
Through a crack in plywood protecting his own window, Sarabia keeps an eye on the powerful storm. Shingles peeled from the roof become dangerous projectiles caught in wind gusts as high as 175 miles per hour.
Oh, no.
Harder becomes alarmed by what he sees and shouts disturbing news to his brother-in-law across the street.
Johnny, you're losing your roof.
And they were flopping in the wind, so we ran downstairs pretty quickly because we knew that it was just a matter of time before the whole thing went.
Oh my God, your roof is going!
The roof lifts and settles. The walls shake in the wind. As neighbors look on in horror.
There it goes.
Finally, Sarabia's roof, their only cover from the deadly storm, tears away from the house.
Dramatic scenes in Italy as mobile phone footage captures the moment that a strong tornado makes landfall near Milan. The tornado, which reached grade 3 on the Fuji.
Two-story apartment complexes in the housing complex here.
YouTube no.
Ой, мамочки, ой. Чего я хотела задать?
Ё-моё.
Боже мой. Мы со светом хоть все?
Aparte el mesa.
Crossing the road a quarter mile. There goes, look at the house. The house is coming apart. Oh my God. Did you see that? The whole house came apart.
Dude, that coming straight.
Oh,
Holy fuck. Dude, that the pressure on this window, I don't trust it.
no, I ain't much pressure here. It's that side I'm worried about.
Dude, I can swear.
Oh, it hit that. Oh, no. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no, 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 no. I got glass in my back, but I got to check on these people. My foot's shaking.